In this video, we present you the 1 Harol model helmet in the configuration for the CPAP therapy. The helmet is made in PVC and is both latex-free and DEHP-free. It is disposable and non-sterile. Harol proposes two different helmet models with a porthole. A first model with a polyurethane collar and a soft band for maintaining the shape of the helmet, and a second model with a silicone collar and a solid ring for maintaining the shape. The volume of both models is around 15 liters, to guarantee a good CPAP therapy. The device weight is about 400 grams. On the sides of the tent there are two connections, a 22mm male inlet, conforming to ISO standards, used for connecting the tube that will provide the flow, and a 22mm female outlet, also conforming to ISO standards, on which the PEP valve will be connected. Next to the outlet connection, you will find an integrated manometer for PEP measurement. With the helmet, a male-to-male adapter is provided to connect the outlet with an external ventilator, for use in a dual-tube CPAP therapy. Regardless, by international guidelines, it is preferred to execute the CPAP therapy with a high-flow generator and a PEP valve, instead of a ventilator. A pocket on the inlet connection directs the flow tangentially to the inner surface, to reduce noise inside the helmet and to avoid air against the patient. On the lower part of the tent, there are two additional sealed accesses for the introduction of nasogastric tubes or straws for liquid feeding. On the band, you will also find a port for connecting an external manometer or a monitor to check the inside pressure. The 1 Harol helmet is equipped with a side access port, which allows routine operations to be performed during therapy without the need to remove the entire helmet. On the access port is placed a bidirectional anti-asphyxia valve. This valve automatically closes when the helmet pressurizes and opens automatically when the pressure inside the helmet falls below 2 centimeters of water, without any operator's intervention. The helmet is mounted on the patient with two suspender anchors equipped with quick coupling and release devices. Harol proposes three different models of the 1 Harol helmet with different anchoring methods. A model with a polyurethane collar with the seal on the upper thorax and tight suspender anchors. A model with a silicone collar with seal on the patient's neck and less tight suspender anchors. And finally, a model with silicone collar and integrated cushion, with the seal on the patient's neck and without suspender anchors.